Come into Vajrasana position. Buttocks between your heels. Place your palms on your thighs, palms facing down. Roll your shoulders back and then drop it down. Keep your shoulder over your hip. Close your eyes for a moment. Deep inhalation through your nostrils and exhale through your mouth. One more deep inhalation and exhale through your mouth. With few blinks, open your eyes. Bring your hands in front of your heart center. While inhaling, take your hands all the way back. Spinal extension, lift your chin slightly up. While exhaling, round your spine, spinal flexion. Bring your back of the palm together, round your spine, push your shoulders back. Inhale, spinal extension. Exhale. 3 more, inhale. Last one, inhale and exhale. Inhale, neutral spine. Exhale, lower your hands down. This time, inhale, reach your hands all the way up, palms facing front. Again, create that spinal extension, slightly chin up. Exhale, round your spine, spinal flexion, swing your hands back. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Last one, inhale. Next exhalation, lower your hands on your knees. Now this time, interlock your fingers, turn your palm around. Inhale, reach your hands all the way up. While exhaling, drop your left buttocks on the left side. Bring your base of the palm together. Bring your index fingers together. Extend your elbow. Feel that left side of your waist. Inhale, center. Turn your palm around. Exhale towards your left. Lower your right buttocks on the mat. Continue. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Back to center. Inhale. And exhale. Lower your hands down. Now, come into tabletop position. Stack your palms beneath your shoulder, knees beneath your hip. Tuck your toes. Neutral spine. Extend your elbow. Extend your right hand forward. Turn your palm up. This creates external rotation in the right shoulder. Now, while exhaling, turn your palm inwards and then create that internal rotation in the shoulder. Take your right hand towards your right side and rest your buttocks on the heels as you exhale. Inhale, come forward. External rotation. Turn your palm. Bring your right hand forward. Exhale, back. Continue. Inhale, external rotation, palm facing up. Exhale, palm facing up. Again here, internal rotation. Inhale, forward. Exhale, back. 2 more. Inhale, forward. Exhale, back. 1 more. Inhale, forward. Exhale, back. Inhale, forward. Next exhalation, lower your right hand. Same on the left side. Extend your left hand. External rotation. Inhale deeply. Exhale, internal rotation. Inhale, forward. Exhale, back. Inhale, forward. Exhale, back. 2 more. Inhale, forward. Exhale, back. Last one. Inhale, forward. Exhale, back. Inhale, forward. Exhale, tabletop. Now this time, reach your right hand forward. Again, create that external rotation. While exhaling, reach your right hand all the way up. Create that circumduction at your right shoulder and lower hip down. Again, make a big circle. Bring your hands forward. External rotation and back. 1, back. 2, back. 3, back. 4, back. 5, back. Now, create that opposite direction. 1, back. 2, back. 3, back. 4, back. 5. Last one. Raise your right hand up. Now take your right hand underneath your left hand without dropping your right shoulder. Just drop your right palm. Flex your left elbow. Pull your right shoulder under and push your left shoulder towards your right side. 1, breathe here. 2, and 3. Inhale, reach your right hand all the way up. Exhale, tabletop. Same on the left side. Exhale, rotation. Make a big circle. Take your hands back. Reverse the circle. 1, 2. Move your hips forward and back. 3, 4, and 5. Now reverse it. All the way up and lower it down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Last one. Reach your left hand all the way up. Exhale. Take your left hand underneath your right without dropping your left shoulder. Just drop your back of the left palm. Pull your right shoulder back, left shoulder under. 1. Deep and long breath. Feel your shoulder. Feel your serratus. Right side. 2 and 3. Inhale. Reach your left hand up. And exhale. Tabletop. Tuck your toes, remain same. Rest your buttocks on the heels. Walk your hands one step forward. Rest your forehead down in child's pose. Balasana. One deep inhalation. And exhale through your mouth. Now this time, come up on your palm, on your knees. Just drop your pelvis. Roll your shoulders back. Lift your sternum. Look forward. Same like upward facing dog, but knees are down. Exhale, child's pose. And go in dynamic way. Inhale forward. Keep your toes tucked. Exhale, Balasana. Inhale, Urdhva Mukha. Exhale, Balasana. Inhale, Urdhva Mukha. Exhale, Balasana. One last time. Inhale, Urdhva Mukha. Exhale, Balasana. Now this time, inhale, come into Urdhva Mukha, upward facing dog. Keep your toes in the same position. Rise your hip, come into downward facing dog. Knee soft, rise your heels. Focus on rising your seated bones. Now walk your hands one by one between your feet. Lower your heels down. You can go halfway like a chair pose, or you can go all the way down Malasana. Reach your hands over your head. Exhale, lower your hands, extend your knees, come into forward fold. Go 2 more rounds of this. Inhale, Malasana or halfway chair pose. Exhale, forward fold. One more. Inhale. Exhale, forward fold. Inhale, walk your hands forward. Come into downward facing dog. Inhale, drop your pelvis. Roll your shoulders back into upward facing dog variation. Lower your knee. Exhale, child's pose. One more round. Inhale, upward facing dog. Exhale, downward facing dog. Now this time, walk your feet towards your hands, outside your hands. Now here again, you can go for chair pose variation or Malasana. Inhale, reach your hands over your head. Exhale, forward fold. 2 more. Inhale. Exhale. One more. Inhale. And exhale, forward fold. Inhale, ground your palms, walk your legs back into downward facing dog variation. Inhale, lower your knees, lower your pelvis, roll your shoulders back, lift your sternum. Exhale, child's pose. One deep inhalation in child's pose and exhale through your mouth. Now inhale, come upon your palm, on your knees, tuck your toes. Exhale, downward facing dog variation. Inhale, step your left foot. Now inhale, slowly come upon your palm, on your knees, step your left foot between the palm. You can use your hand support. Sink your hip down. If you have sensitive knees, take proper cushion underneath your right knee. Tucking your right toe will help you to release the stress on the right knee. Inhale, reach your both hands, flex your elbow, cactus hands, palms facing forward. Create that spinal extension, especially your thoracic spine. Inhale, while exhaling, lean forward, drop your hands down, extend your left knee. Inhale, cactus hands, flex your left knee, sink your hip down. Exhale, forward. 3 more. Inhale, cactus hands, sink your hip down. Exhale, forward. 2 more. Inhale, exhale, forward. Last one. Inhale, exhale, forward. Inhale, flex your knee, stay here. Next exhalation, lower your hands down, walk your hands inside your left foot, turn your right toe towards your left side of the mat. Reach your hands, inhale all the way up. Exhale, drop your left elbow, lean towards your left side, stay here. Now create that external rotation in the right shoulder. 1, breathe, 2, and 3. Inhale, center, reach your hands all the way up. Exhale, lower your right hand down, extend your left leg, you can slide your left leg, left heel, and reach your left hand over, push your pelvis forward. 1, breathe, 2, and 3. Bend your left knee, ground your left foot, reach your both hands, inhale. Exhale, take your hands inside your left leg, step your right leg back, and step your left leg back into child's pose. Now same on the other side. Inhale, step your right foot between the palms. In order to bring directly, use your right hand. Keep your fingertips, sink your head down, tuck your left toe, take proper cushion underneath your left knee if you want to. Inhale, reach your hands, palms facing forward, flex your elbow, cactus hand. Exhale, half split, lean forward. Inhale, Anjaneyasana variation. Exhale, Ardha Anjaneyasana. Inhale, 3 more. Exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale, and exhale. Inhale back to center. Next exhalation, lower your hands down, walk your hands inside your right foot, take a left toe pointing towards your right edge of the mat, lift your torso, reach your hands. Exhale, lower your right forearm on your right thigh, reach your left hand over, push your hip forward. Squeeze your gently right glutes. Deep breath, breathe in and breathe out. 2 and 3. Inhale, center, reach your hands over your head. Exhale, lower your left hand, slide your right heel, extend your right knee again here also, push your hip forward, squeeze your right glutes again. 1, breathe, 2 and 3. Bend your right knee, lift your torso, reach your hands. Exhale, lower your hands either side of your right leg, step your left leg back, right leg back. Child's pose. Same child's pose. Now here you need to release your toes, widen your knees. Toes together, rest your buttocks on the heels, rest your forehead, deep breath. Bring your palm beneath your shoulder, press your hands, lift your torso, bring your knees together, back into our first position, Vajrasana. Now we're gonna end this session with a deep breath. Place your right palm at the navel center, left palm just above your chest below the collarbone. Keep your eyes remain closed. Inhale deeply through your nostrils and exhale through your nostrils only. Now here, while inhaling, observe the movements in your abdominal muscles and then followed by chest muscles. While exhaling, observe the movements in your chest muscles and then followed by abdominal muscles. Continue along with your counts if that feels comfortable. Inhale for the counts of 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Exhale for the counts of 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Continue. Inhale. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Exhale. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Inhale. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Exhale. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let your breath be normal. Place your hands on your thighs. Observe your breath for a while. Bring your hands to the heart center. Take one deep inhalation and exhale. Om. Namaste.